In this video, we are looking at Python Dictionaries, a collection that lets you store information and find it instantly using a name called a key. A dictionary stores key-value pairs inside curly braces. Every key is unique, and you use that key, not a number, to find its value. Dictionaries are mutable, meaning you can change them after creation. Imagine a physical dictionary. You do not flip through every page counting lines. You jump straight to the word you need. Python dictionaries work the same way. Give it a key, and it hands you back the value instantly. Here is a dictionary with 2 entries. Each box on the left is a key, and the box it points to on the right is its value. To get Ada's age, you ask for the key Ada, and the dictionary returns 36. Adding a new entry is simple. Write the dictionary name, then the new key in square brackets, and assign a value. If the key already exists, this same syntax updates it instead of creating a duplicate. We start with the dictionary holding Ada's age. We add Bob, then print both ages. Finally, we update Ada's age to 37 and print it again. The dictionary keeps only the latest value for each key. Use a dictionary when your data has natural labels, like names paired with ages. Use a list when order matters and items are all the same kind of thing, like a queue of tasks. To recap, a dictionary maps unique keys to values, lets you look things up by name in an instant, and is easy to update. Whenever your data has labels that matter, a dictionary is the right tool.